So far, we've learned how to make some delicious meals, and you've learned some awesome skills. Today, we have a tasty snack to make, a yogurt parfait. As always, never do anything in the kitchen without permission from an adult. So, we're making a parfait. This is when you stack up food items in a cup or bowl to make a yummy treat. A bonus is that this is a pretty healthy treat that we can eat anytime. Let's review a few of our key terms. A recipe is the steps that guide us through making a meal or snack. Ingredients are the food items needed for a recipe, like this fruit and granola. And you might remember that utensils are the tools we use in the kitchen, like this spoon and bowl. Here are some ideas for the main ingredients we could use for this treat. We need yogurt. There are lots of flavors to choose from. Fruit. Most any type of fruit or berry can work. This is a sweet treat, so we probably would not put in something like tomato. A crunchy topping like granola, graham cracker, or even cereal. If you'd like, you could add some healthy seeds like chia seeds. Okay, let's look at the steps involved. First, decide which fruit and toppings to use. Jesse has strawberries and granola. It looks like Jesse is using a small cup to hold his ingredients. You could also use a bowl, a jar, or something else. Next, add a layer of yogurt to the bottom of the container. A layer is something that lays on top of something or under something. Oh, and a spoon is useful for this step. Then, add a layer of fruit and top with more yogurt. You can repeat this step until the glass is full. Yogurt, fruit, like a pattern. That looks nice. Finally, add a crunchy topping and enjoy. Whatever you add to the parfait, make sure the crunchy topping is on the very top, so it stays crunchy. And of course, once you're done, don't forget to clean up. Here are the steps once more. First, decide which fruit and toppings to use. Next, add a layer of yogurt to the bottom of the container. Then, add a layer of fruit and top with more yogurt. Finally, add a crunchy topping and enjoy. Jesse did an awesome job today. He has earned his Parfait Perfector badge. You can make your own parfaits and earn your badge too. Hey!